I'll be reviewing the Sungwoo extra long silicone 14.6-inch oven mitts today. If you're interested in checking them out or grabbing a great deal, don't forget to explore the links below this video at any time. Let's talk about how the Sungwoo extra long silicone oven mitts could change the way you handle heat in your kitchen. These aren't your average oven mitts. At 14.6 inches long, they offer extensive protection, not just for your hands, but for your wrists and forearms too, making accidental burns a thing of the past. Whether you're pulling a sizzling tray of cookies from the oven, flipping burgers on the grill, or handling hot pots, these mitts have got you covered. What makes them special is the dual layer protection. The first layer is made of non-slip textured silicone, which can withstand temperatures up to 500-degree fat fries, ensuring you can confidently handle high heat situations. The second layer is a soft polyester cotton lining, which adds a layer of comfort that makes these mitts flexible and breathable. You won't feel stiff or restricted while wearing them. Cleaning these mitts is incredibly easy. The silicone is waterproof, so if you get food on them, just wipe them clean or swish them in soapy water. Plus, with a built-in hanging hook, they're easy to store and always within reach. They're also available in more than 6 colors, though today I'm showing you the sleek black version. One thing to keep in mind though is that because these mitts are extra long, they might feel a bit bulky if you have smaller hands. But the added protection is a worthwhile trade-off for most people. If you're ready to elevate your kitchen experience with superior heat protection, check out the links below to get these mitts at a great price. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.